The biggest PC upgrade myth? That buying a new GPU always gives the biggest performance boost. That only works if your system can keep up. Your CPU has to feed data to the GPU constantly. If the CPU is too weak, the graphics card waits. This is called a CPU bottleneck, and FPS barely increases. RAM also matters. Slow speed or single-channel memory limits how fast the CPU gets game data. Using a hard drive instead of an SSD causes stutters, long load times, and texture popping. Real performance comes from balance. Upgrade the weakest part, not just the most expensive one.